Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can create a Chrome shader in Blender, so let's get started. For this project I'm going to use a model that I downloaded from CG Trader. You can download it for free through the link in the description. I'm not affiliated with them. With the skull selected, let's go to shading. You can use Eevee for this, but I'm going to use cycles. Now let's go to the world properties and I'm going to use... I will put the link to the HDRI in the description. Select it and click on Open Image. Now go to Rendered View and add a Fresnel node. Put that here and plug the factor into the color. Now let's set the roughness to 0 and the metallic to 1. Let's also shade smooth. Now set the index of refraction to 10.5. Now let's go to the render properties. I'm going to render at 128 samples with denoise enabled. If you can, then I recommend that you use optics, but you can also use OpenImage denoise, of course. Go to color management and set the look to very high contrast. Now go to film and enable transparent. Now let's go back to layered mode, hit Shift A and add a camera. I'm going to position my view around here and press Ctrl Alt 0 to go into camera view. Now press G, set to move it on the local Z-axis. Now select the skull again and press G and X, Control to move it over here, and add an array modifier. Set the factor to 1.1 and the count to 5. I think I'm going to position my camera around here. So press Ctrl Alt 0 again, select the camera and press G. Here you can see the exact coordinates that I'm using. I recommend that you save now. Now let's press Shift D with the skull selected and press G and Y to move them back. Like this. Make sure they are not intersecting. Now go into front view by pressing 1 on the numpad and hit Shift A and add a point light. Move that here and duplicate it and move it on the X like this. Now go up here and select both of them. Go into camera view and press G and Y and move them like this. Let's go into rendered view now. With the lights selected, go here and make this one red like this. And now select this light and click on the drop down here and select 0.001. Hit Shift A and add an empty plane axis. And go up here to snapping and set it to face. Now press G and Control. And as you can see now it snaps to the faces. So I'm going to position it around here. Select the camera and go to the object data properties, enable depth of field and select the empty. I'm going to set the blades to 16 and the f-stop to 0.1. Now go up here to compositing and enable use nodes, add a denoise node and enable denoising data to get these outputs. Go to the output properties and select the file format that you want. I'm going to choose JPEG and set the quality to 100%. Save again and press F12 to render the image. So that's it with the tutorial. I hope you liked it. Please let me know what to should do next and I'll see you next time.